Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're looking at a drone that's perfect for beginners, travelers, and anyone who wants pro-level footage without carrying heavy gear. This is the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo with the DJI RC, and it packs an impressive amount of power into a tiny, lightweight body that you can literally slip into a small backpack. Right out of the box, the Fly More combo gives you 3 intelligent flight batteries, and together they deliver up to 114 minutes of total flight time, which means more time in the air, fewer interruptions, and more chances to capture the perfect shot. DJI also includes the DJI RC remote controller with a built-in screen, so you don't need your phone to fly, just power on and go. The Mini 3 captures stunning 4K HDR video with crisp detail, balanced highlights, and smooth colors. One of its biggest strengths is its true vertical shooting, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Instead of cropping horizontally shot video, the camera physically rotates, giving you native vertical footage that looks clean and professional. Despite being small and beginner-friendly, the drone has a powerful 10 km 32,800 feet video transmission system. This gives you stable, low-latency live view, even when flying at distance. The Mini 3 is also super lightweight, under 249 grams, keeping it easy to carry and helping avoid certain regulations in many regions. Flight performance is smooth and intuitive. Its aerodynamic design handles moderate wind surprisingly well, and the intelligent features like quick shots, 4x digital zoom, and automatic return to home make it perfect even for new pilots. Whether you're filming landscapes, city shots, travel content, or just experimenting with aerial filmmaking, the Mini 3 is designed to make footage look good effortlessly. If you're ready to upgrade your content or simply want a reliable travel drone, this Fly More combo is one of the best value packages DJI offers. Check the link below, grab yours, and start capturing the world from a new angle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow GadgetVerse for more daily tech reviews.